Good morning, students. Myself Abhishek Sharma from Mount Litra Z School, Jhansi. Students, we are continuing with 10th chapter of Business Studies of class 12th, and today we are going to discuss stock exchange and what function stock exchange plays. So starting with stock exchange, what is stock exchange? Basically, Securities Contract and Regulation Act defines a stock exchange as an organization, institution, or body of individuals, whether incorporated, or not established for the purpose of assisting, regulating, and controlling of business in buying, selling, and dealing in securities. So this is the definition of a stock exchange. Now, what are the functions which stock exchange plays? Basically, there are 9 functions. We will begin with economic barometer. A stock exchange is a reliable barometer to measure the economic condition of a country. Every major changes in our country and economy is easily reflected in the price of shares. Second is pricing of securities. The stock market helps to value the securities on the basis of demand and supply factor. The securities of profitable and growth oriented companies are valued higher as there is more demand for such securities. Now, safety of transactions. In stock market, only the listed securities are traded, and stock exchange authorities include the company's names in the trade list only after verifying the soundness of the company. Fourth, contribute to the economic growth. In a stock exchange, securities of various companies are bought and sold. This process of disinvestment and reinvestment helps to invest in most productive investment proposal, and this leads to capital formation and economic growth. Spreading of equity cult. Stock exchange encourage people to invest in ownership securities by regulating new issues, better trading practices, and by educating public about investment, that is awareing them. Providing scope for speculation, liquidity. The main function of stock market is to provide ready market for sale and purchase of security. The presence of stock exchange market gives assurance to investor that their investment can be converted into cash whenever they want. The investor can invest in long-term investment projects without any hesitation, as because of stock exchange they can convert long-term investment into short-term and medium-term investment. Better allocation of capital. The share of profit-making companies are quoted at higher price and are actively traded, so much companies can easily raise fresh capital from stock market. The general public hesitate to invest in securities of loss-making companies. So stock exchange facilities allocation of investors' fund to profitable channels only. And the last is promotes the habit of saving and investment. This is one of the most important functions of stock exchange. Let's see. The stock market offers attractive opportunities of investment in various securities. You can get a very good opportunities of investment in various different types of securities offered by different companies. These attractive opportunities encourage people to save more and invest in securities of corporate sector rather than investing in unproductive assets such as gold, silver, land, property, etc. Once again, I repeat, these attractive opportunities encourage people to save more and invest in the securities of corporate sector rather than investing in unproductive assets such as gold, silver, other types of land, and other types of property, that is fixed assets. So students, that's all for today's class. Thank you and have a nice day.